'Tis a glorious day in the studs, and I'm gonna be showing you guys something new that I've been working on, and it's so exciting because it's so different than what I normally do, and that is this abstract nude texture board. And I'm so excited because I feel like I've completely shifted my focus, and I know that art has been new for me. For those of you that have been following along my channel, you know that this is kind of my first year as a mixed media artist and just trying out these new things. And I've mostly been focusing on alcohol ink art. So to do something like this, where it's like just a blend of techniques and really focusing on abstract, but still kind of bringing some figures into the paintings, it's really exciting. And I've been learning a lot and I've been researching a lot. And so I want to take you through those techniques, and I want to show you exactly how I created this piece. I'm going to be running through how you prep your board with texture before you paint any sort of figure on it, how to prepare a sketch on a board without, feeling jittery that you kind of might mess the board up, and then going over all the fine details, adding even more color to bring your artwork to life. Let's go. Sorry, pause. Is that not the most glorious thing ever? Look at the sky. Beautiful outside. Truly, truly beautiful. So this time, instead of using the Liquitex that I normally use, I'm going to be using my Arteza box of 60. So I use this in my textured artwork video, and this box is awesome because I've talked about it and how pigmented these colors are. So I'm going to be choosing a few colors to kind of complement this board, and then a few contrasting colors. I'm thinking maybe like some oranges and peach and things like that. So I'm gonna go in with the silver first just to do the outline. was using this chrome spray paint that I bought from Toronto Collective. It's so amazing. Yeah, it is spray paint, so it's not really for the finer details, even though I do have a metallic pen to go with it. Okay, so I have this liquid chrome pen. I think I'm gonna use this for fine detailing because I got it from Toronto Collective as well, and it's, well, it's chrome. It's liquid chrome pen, so it's exactly like the chrome spray, but in pen form. It does have that shine like the chrome. So that's the chrome spray paint, and then that is the pen. I think this is gonna work fine for the project, and you can see how reflective it is. It's amazing. Magenta from last night. Going into light apricot here. Let's go for Indian yellow. I think that could look good. Lately I've been obsessed with this orange and pink mix, so. How are you enjoying the video? I really hope you're liking it, and if you are, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to get notifications for new videos every Friday, and enjoy the rest of the video. It's looking so good. I'm so happy with this. Pop art vibes. Buono.
Nice.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Grazie. This is the final board. Look how reflective the chrome is. It's great. Also decided to paint the sides black because it's classy. You've reached the end of the video. This is the final result, and I truly hope you loved it. I hope you learned from it. I hope you truly feel inspired to create your own texture board. Tag me at _DMPaints on Instagram if you do end up creating anything like this. I'd totally love to see your creations, and I will see you next week.